Ever wondered if you could build a website that feels and functions like Gemini? Let's explore the how and the why behind creating a Gemini clone, strictly for educational and experimental purposes. First, understanding Gemini's core appeal is key. This often involves a streamlined, conversational AI interface to mimic this. We'd focus on a clean, intuitive user experience. Think of it as distilling Gemini's essence, its chatbot-style interaction, its ability to process and respond to natural language. Technically, this involves a front-end built with modern web technologies like React or Vue.js, designed to create that responsive and interactive feel on the backend. You'd likely be looking at a robust framework, possibly Python with Flask or Django, to handle user requests and manage data. The heart of a Gemini clone, even an educational one, is its ability to simulate AI interaction while replicating Gemini's advanced AI is beyond scope for an educational project. You could integrate with existing open-source language models or explore simpler NLP techniques to get a feel for how these systems process and generate text. Design-wise, observe Gemini's visual language, subtle animations, clear typography, and a focus on content delivery are crucial. The goal is to create an interface that's not just functional, but also aesthetically pleasing and easy to navigate, emulating that modern, sophisticated feel. When building such a site, whether for learning or experimentation, it's paramount to understand the underlying technologies, how to craft a compelling user interface, and the fundamental concepts of AI integration, all while keeping intellectual property rights in mind. However, and this is critically important, creating a direct clone of a copyrighted platform like Gemini carries significant legal risks. Intellectual property laws, trademark infringement, and terms of service violations are serious concerns. Always ensure your project is purely for educational purposes and does not infringe on any existing copyrights. Seek legal advice if you have any doubts. This exploration is about learning the how of web development and AI simulation, not about creating a product that competes with or infringes on established platforms. Always tread responsibly and ethically in the digital realm.